What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and a couple body kits back here with another video. We are going to be comparing a KBD Miata kit versus a JP Fiberglass Miata kit. Now, we are just going to be doing this off the car today. I'm going to have a second follow-up video for the fitment on the vehicle. But for today, we're just going to be comparing the kits out of the box over a couple of categories. We're going to be talking about price, we're going to be talking about shipping, we're going to be talking about quality, we're going to be talking about warranties, we're going to be talking about the materials used in these kits, and any other points of comparison. Also, I feel like it's very, very important for me to tell you guys, neither of these kits were sponsored, they were both purchased, so this is just a third-person point of view looking factually at these products. And lastly, guys, the links to the kits will be down in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into today's video. The first category we are going to get into is price, as well as everything that comes with each of these prices. Starting out here on the left, the KBD kit is offered at $1,100 shipped. And on the right, our JP Fiberglass kit is offered at $650 shipped. Both of these products are manufactured here in the USA, which I think is absolutely awesome. Let's dive into the intricacies of each kit. With the KBD kit, that is going to come with a lifetime warranty. If it doesn't fit correctly, if it's manufactured correctly, or if the kit just gets beat up, it needs to get warrantied out, that is also an option. What happens is you take a picture of the kit once it is cut in half and you send that to KBD, you get your new kit in a couple weeks time. On the other hand, with the JP Fiberglass kit, that is $650, one-time kit use, you get one kit, that's it. Right off the bat, you guys are going to notice the color difference between the kits. This one is black, it's made out of polyurethane, while the JP Fiberglass kit is made out of fiberglass. One of the pros when it comes to the KBD kit is how flexible it is. This kit is aimed at stance guys, drift guys, people who are going to use and abuse their car as well as their body kit. They're going to run it on the ground, it's going to get messed up. That's okay. Not only will that be taken care of with the warranty, but the flexibility, quite literally, of this kit. That's absolutely crazy. Goes right back to normal. And funny enough, when you get your KBD kit, it is balled up in a smaller cardboard box. You leave it out in the sun for a day, you bake it, you let it cook, and here it is. Now, I'm just kidding, it doesn't actually cook, but it does take on its original molded form. The reason this kit is able to be this flexible is because it is made out of polyurethane. The best way for me to explain this to you guys is like a really thick, really dense rubber. Something else to note here in the materials used making these kits, the KBD kit is going to be a little bit easier to fit to your car because of the material used. With the JP Fiberglass kit, you have to do a little bit more trimming, a little bit more work to get the kit to fit properly on your car. The JP Fiberglass, on the other hand, is much, much stiffer. And while these guys have made their products more flexible in the recent past, they still just are not as flexible as a KBD kit. I will show you guys that as this is a little bit flexible, this would most definitely crack if I pushed it too far. This kit right here is shipped wrapped in cardboard, stuffed with styrofoam and bubble wrap. It did the job and everything made it here in one piece. Another little important side note about the shipping of the JP Fiberglass kit is that you are supposed to inspect it before you take delivery. That is the only warranty you get with this kit. Finishing up the shipping category, both of these kits arrived after about a month from the time that we ordered them. Very happy with how that worked out. I don't know if they generally stock KBD kits and I don't know if they stock JP Fiberglass kits, but if they were both manufactured and shipped and arrived after about a month, honestly couldn't be happier with both parties. Up next, we're going to be talking about the overall build quality of each kit. We're going to start with the KBD. Starting here with our front bumper, all of these edges are very smooth, very well cut. All of the corners are in perfect condition. And then even everything on the back of the front bumper is in great, smooth, orderly condition. All of these lines are cut perfectly. And again, all of the corners are absolutely perfect. The quality will remain the same with the side skirts as well as the rear bumper. Once again, I'll give you guys a close-up of the KBD side skirt. And here's the back for you guys. You can see how well this thing came out of its mold. Lastly, a close-up of the rear bumper. All of these corners and edges are looking gorgeous, and everything on the back side of the rear bumper is looking great as well. Now, I know this isn't my kit, but I am very, very happy with how this thing turned out overall. Let's move on over to the JP FIBERGLASS kit and get a more in-depth look. You guys can see this thing is not nearly as perfect as the KBD one. Now, I don't know if this was made by hand, made in a mold, and then touched up by hand, but it's a little bit worse. For me personally, that's okay because of the car that it's going on, but I just want you guys to see the quality of how your kit will come. Now, with the JP FIBERGLASS kit, as I said earlier, you have to sign off on the delivery of it, ensuring that its condition is okay. I didn't get that luxury. The kit was dropped off by the garage. I'm just thankful everything came in one piece. Now let me give you guys a closer look at the JP FIBERGLASS kit. So overall, this front bumper looks pretty good. It has its little dents and dings, but it's not too bad. Even here on the back of the kit, everything looks good for the most part. There's a couple fiberglass strands loose, but this thing looks pretty good. So I did want to show you guys the worst it gets on the JP FIBERGLASS front bumper is this little corner being shipped. Now again, unfortunately this happened in shipping. Not a whole lot I can do about it. I can do a little repair if I needed to, but the rest of this bumper is just fine. Now I will give you guys a closer look at the JP FIBERGLASS side skirts. Once again, overall, this thing is in good condition. Here's the back of it. The corners aren't quite as smooth. The lines aren't quite as straight, but that's okay. It's a $650 fiberglass kit. Now, the only real damage on the side skirts was this corner that I chipped off when I slammed my door. I was just trying to close it over a kit, just have to be more careful in the future. And lastly, I will show you guys the JP FIBERGLASS rear bumper. This piece I think came out the best compared to everything else, and I think the rear bumper here will probably fit the best out of the rest of the JP FIBERGLASS pieces. Overall, this piece came out the best. Super happy with its quality. Now, is the JP FIBERGLASS kit perfect? No, it's not. It's a little bit more inconsistent across the kit, and the overall quality is just a little bit less than the KBD. But for me, for what I need it for, a budget Miata build, it is exactly what I wanted for a little bit over $200 less than the KBD kit. Alright guys, to wrap up this video, I wanted to talk about these companies as a whole from a customer standpoint position. KBD offers great warranties. They take care of their customers with those warranties, as well as fast response time. JP FIBERGLASS answered absolutely every single question that I had about the kit, about shipping, about other products, and genuinely, they were one of the fastest responders from a company I have ever seen in my life. Literally takes a couple minutes to get an email back regarding whatever question you had. Now, please understand, both of these are PS Deuce replica kits. If that's not your thing, go spend $1,300 for a Deuce kit shipped, wait 4 to 5 months, and get your kit. That also comes with the kit fully insured, so that's just another something to think about. Overall though, both of these kits are great budget options, whether you are the weekend drifter or the local stance kid. So anyways guys, if you do have any more questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to go in depth on anything else you guys need. I did just want to add a couple finishing thoughts for you guys. In hand, the weight is about the same. Painting the kits, for the KBD kit, you have to add a flex additive to the paint so that it sticks to the polyurethane as well as folds and bends with the kit. For the JP FIBERGLASS kit, you should just be able to paint it like normal since it is fiberglass, and then it comes primered. So this has been Fitz Miller, couple Miata kits, back here with another video, and stay tuned for the upcoming video when these kits are on the car. This has been Fitz Miller, back here with another video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys are subscribed and go check out getmoonstruck.com for some merch. Have a great night.
Hey, Fitz's YouTube.